What's up, guys? So your ventilated seats, your air conditioned seats aren't working. I'm going to give you a couple tips to make them work. They're probably not broken. So your ventilated seats, when you turn them on, all right, they're actually getting the air that feeds the seat from way down there. They're getting it from underneath your seat. Okay, so one of the things that you can do is you need to make sure that your rear seat vents are blowing air in a downward fashion. You can direct those vents. Additionally, depending on your car may have floor vents, and so you can switch the feeds so that it's not just coming out of the dash, it's also coming out of the feet. That will improve the amount of airflow going underneath your seat. Additionally, and you're going to like this tip because you may have already done that, the pocket below your seat, if your seat is all the way down, like I'm going right now, there's going to be a very small pocket down there, so there's not going to be a lot of cool air able to flow. So if you move your seat up, you might not be able to tell I'm moving my seat up, but if you move your seat up, create a nice little 3 or 4 inch gap under the seat, you'll have a little bit more airflow so that this seat can grab cool air and then shoot it up into your seat. Anyway, hit like if you liked the video. Hope it helps. Your seat's probably not broken.